Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add bones to an object, how to make it move. So first thing, I'm going to make a little thing to make move. SY, just going to make a quick little box thing. And now I'm going to go to edit mode. Here, cut it a few times. This will make it easier for it to bend. This will work I'm just doing this right now because I don't have a model right now. So now that you have your worm thing, Shift A, add an armature. Now Tab Z, go to wireframe, A, R, now you rotate it, and then G to move, S, you move this little dot right there, then you can move the dots there, E, to extrude, you can extrude it like that. And each of these points is where it can bend. So keep that in mind. I'm just showing you how to apply the bones to an object. So now that you have your bones, your armatures, you're going to select the thing that you want to have the armatures. Then you're going to hold down Shift and select the armatures. You're going to make sure that the armatures are yellow and the cube is orange. Now you're going to Control P with automatic weights. Now you're going to select the armatures, go to pose mode, and you're done. You can rotate it, you can do anything with it. This works with any kind of model you have. You can rotate it, you can keyframe it. Well, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.